Do you know many people are having trouble with the hood latch on their Kia Optima 2012? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Pull release lever. Pull the release lever inside the vehicle to unlatch the hood. The hood should pop open slightly. Step 2. Locate and pull latch. Go to the front of the vehicle, raise the hood slightly, and locate the secondary latch inside the hood center. Pull the secondary latch and lift the hood. Step 3. Raise hood fully. Raise the hood completely until it opens fully by itself after being raised halfway. Step 4. Check engine compartment. Before closing the hood, ensure all filler caps in the engine compartment are installed correctly and remove any items from the engine compartment. Step 5. Close and secure hood. Lower the hood until it is about 1 foot 30 cm above the closed position and let it drop. Ensure it locks securely in place. By following these steps, your Kia Optima 2012 hood should latch securely every time. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Kia users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.